Hey everyone, it's Brian from Puente Hyundai. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Now, we're going to specifically be talking about the climate control and some of the added features that you get on the Limited. Now, something I do want to make sure that you know is that in this video, we're going to be going over specific features, for example, like the heated and ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel, which is exclusively found on the Limited. But we will be going over some of those differences once we take a look at today's video. All right, folks, so taking a look at the climate control system on the 2022 Santa Cruz. Looking down, you'll notice that all of the buttons now are touchscreen, but it is a very, very soft touch, meaning it's very easy to use, and the button layout is very simple and sleek looking. So we'll take a look at both sides. If you notice, both sides have the red and blue indicators showing both heated and air conditioning features. You'll notice across the board that when you actually turn on the system, the middle display will show and illuminate what the fan speed is and what mode you're in. So I will demonstrate that by turning the air conditioning system on now so you can see the difference. So once you press it for the first time, you'll notice that it does show an order. Left, which is driver's side air conditioning level. It shows the fan speed, it shows mode or what position the air conditioning is in, and then the right or passenger side air conditioning system. Now, this one does have the sync mode, which means that it has dual air conditioning, which is available on all trims except the SE, which is the standard edition trim. Now, I do want to go over certain buttons that are unique to the Santa Cruz. One button in specific is going to be this diffuse button. Now, you'll notice that the orange indicator is on the button now, which leads to presume that it is actually on and active. Now, what this button does is it allows the air conditioning to flow evenly throughout the car using both the vents and a special section across the dash. Again, this is unique to Santa Cruz and Tucson. Now, you'll also notice you have buttons for the rear defrosters, for the full circulation, and the sync mode, which you can turn off and adjust accordingly. Now, something that I do want to make clear is what the sync button actually does. Now, what that button is for is you have the ability in this vehicle that has dual climate control to have different air conditioning sets, both for the driver and passenger. In this case, you'll notice that on the driver's side, we have one temperature, and on the passenger side, we have a higher temperature, which I'm adjusting right now. Now, what that sync button does is it allows the vehicle to have both of the air conditionings in their own individual place, or once it's actually activated, and you'll see me press it and demonstrate it now, once it's actually activated, it will go back to whatever the driver has it already preset for. So that is what that sync button is for. Now, taking a look at the infotainment system, you'll notice that once I turn this screen here, there is a section in the corner right for climate. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on the icon, and you'll notice that it gives you all of the information for the climate control here on the display. But it also gives you climate settings, which I will read off to you now. From the top, it goes activate upon washer fluid use, recirculation mode plus, auto dehumidify, defrost, and auto defrost. So what these features do is it gives you the option to set the air conditioning or to change it after you use a certain feature in the vehicle. Now, again, you have the ability to turn these features off just by pressing them, and then you have the ability to turn them back on as soon as you press it once again. Now, in the middle center console, you'll notice that you both have heated seats and ventilated seats along with the heated steering wheel. Now, you'll know the difference because the vented seats will have the blue illumination while the heated seats has the orange illumination. The heated steering wheel will also keep that orange illumination, and again, you'll have it for both driver and passenger side. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any other questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Again, the Santa Cruz Limited is here in our store, so if you want to come down, take a look at it, maybe go on a test drive, we're always here to help. Other than that, guys, have a great day.